Hey everyone, today I want to share something that has genuinely helped me set up my woodworking space without spending a fortune or needing a big garage. It's called the Ultimate Small Shop Guide, and honestly, it's one of the best purchases I've made for my hobby. So before getting this guide, I was super confused. I didn't know what tools to buy, what was worth the money, and where to even set up a decent workspace. And let's be real, a lot of guides and videos out there are either outdated or just trying to push random products. This one is different. The guide is created by Ralph Chapman, and he has over 25 years of experience in woodworking. He's been through the struggle and knows what works. He shows you step by step how to build a full functioning workshop even in a small space like a 10 by 6 feet area. That blew my mind. The part one found most helpful was his recommended tool list. Not only does he tell you exactly what you need and what you don't, but he also gives you links to secret suppliers where you can save up to 70% compared to Amazon or Home Depot. And no, it's not Harbor Freight. I got some amazing deals from places I never would have found on my own. Just a heads up, there are fake versions and scammy websites that pretend to sell this guide. I got mine from the original site, and I highly suggest you do the same. Don't fall for the wrong links. Always check before buying. If you're into woodworking and want to save money, avoid bad tools, and make the most of your small space, then this guide is 100% worth checking out. I really think you'll love it like I did.